In 2026, more people earn money than ever before. Yet financial stress is still everywhere. Not because people are careless, but because most were never taught how money actually works. Personal finance is not about being rich. It's about feeling stable, prepared, and calm about your future. In this video, we'll walk through the most important personal finance basics. Simple ideas that quietly change how you think, plan, and live. What personal finance really is. When people hear personal finance, they often think of complicated charts, investing apps, or stock markets. But at its core, personal finance is much simpler. It's the system you use to earn money, manage expenses, prepare for uncertainty, build long-term security. A good financial system works quietly in the background of your life. It reduces stress instead of creating it. The real goal of personal finance is not luxury. It's freedom from constant worry. Freedom to handle emergencies without panic. Freedom to make decisions without pressure. Freedom to think long-term instead of reacting emotionally. You don't need extreme income to achieve this. You need clarity, consistency, and patience. That's what these basics are designed to give you. The golden rule. Every personal finance system starts with one rule. Spend less than you earn. This sounds obvious, but it's where most problems begin. Overspending rarely comes from big purchases. It usually comes from small expenses repeated over time. Subscriptions, convenience spending, lifestyle inflation. These quietly reduce financial stability. Awareness matters more than strict control. Awareness over budgeting. Many people try budgeting and quit because it feels restrictive. A calmer approach works better. Start by observing your spending without judgment. Track where your money actually goes for a short period. The goal is understanding, not punishment. When patterns become clear, better decisions happen naturally. Clarity creates discipline more effectively than pressure ever could. Emergency fund. An emergency fund is one of the most important financial tools. It is not an investment. It is protection. Unexpected expenses are a normal part of life. Without a buffer, people often rely on debt during stressful moments. A simple guideline is saving 3 to 6 months of essential expenses. This one step alone can dramatically reduce financial anxiety. Why access matters. An emergency fund should be easy to access. It's not meant to be locked away or invested aggressively. Simplicity is the goal. Knowing that you can handle unexpected situations creates psychological safety. That safety allows you to make calmer decisions in other areas of your finances. Peace of mind is one of the most underrated returns on money. Understanding debt. Debt is often misunderstood. Not all debt is the same, but not all debt is harmless either. High-interest consumer debt creates long-term pressure. It turns future income into past obligations. Some forms of debt, like education or skill development, can increase earning potential when used carefully. The key is understanding interest, risk, and intention. Eliminating bad debt. Paying off high-interest debt offers a guaranteed return. Unlike investing, there is no uncertainty. Each payment reduces stress and increases flexibility. Progress may feel slow at first, but consistency compounds over time. Reducing bad debt is often one of the fastest ways to improve overall financial stability. Introduction to investing. Investing is not about excitement or prediction. It is about long-term participation and growth. Rather than trying to time markets, successful investors focus on consistency and patience. Simple strategies applied steadily often outperform complex ones driven by emotion. In investing, calm behavior matters more than intelligence. Time over timing. Many beginners delay investing because they wait for the perfect moment. This usually leads to inaction. Time in the market often matters more than timing the market. Starting early, even with small amounts, allows compounding to work quietly over time. Growth is rarely dramatic at first. It becomes visible through steady accumulation. Income growth. Saving and investing are essential, but income also plays an important role. Savings have limits. Income potential is more flexible. In 2026, income growth often comes from skill development, adaptability, and leverage. Rather than chasing quick gains, focus on building skills that remain valuable over time. Money and mindset. Money amplifies behavior. If decisions are driven by fear, more money increases anxiety. If decisions are calm and intentional, money increases freedom. Avoid constant comparison. Avoid shortcuts. Build systems you trust. Financial peace comes from alignment, not excess. A simple money system. Complex financial systems often fail because they require constant attention. Simplicity works better. A basic structure may include income, fixed expenses, savings, investments, discretionary spending. Automation reduces stress and decision fatigue. Consistency builds results over time. Consistency over perfection. Many people wait for the perfect plan before starting. This often leads to delay. Small, consistent actions matter more than perfect strategies. Personal finance rewards patience more than urgency. Even modest improvements applied regularly can create meaningful long-term change. Closing. Personal finance is not about control or deprivation. It is about awareness, preparation, and calm decision-making. Choose one idea from this video and apply it this week. That small step is often enough to begin building financial stability over time.